One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. What I got here for you today is a 1993 Buick Lesabre Limited. It's a 90th anniversary model. I've actually never seen one of these in person, and it's got a really cool custom wheel. Sorry, time of day, my shadow's just gonna have to be going through it. But beautiful car, great shape, one owner, 67,000 original miles on the car. Runs like a top, shifts like a dream. It's a great car. These things, I love a 3800 in any body, all right, up to 2003 or whenever they, geez, I don't know. I like the Grand Prix, I like the Buicks, I like the Chevys, pretty much anything with a 3800, I like them. This is a good car. I'm gonna do a review and show you any minor damage and stuff. It's super clean. There is a couple things on it though that are not perfect, but it sure is nice. I'd rate it at a strong 8.5, and I think I'm rating it a little bit low at that. So with that, oneownercarguy.com, there'll be pictures. I got all kinds of videos on my channel. Check it out, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna start showing you damages and what's wrong with the car, which ain't much. Great shape, all the trim and everything's great shape. Around the top, you know, a guy could clean this better. We didn't spend a lot of time. It's getting a little bit of wear right there. It could be cleaned better. Here's underneath it. Super clean. Let me get under here and show you the pans. Good car. A little split right there in the spoiler. And that's underneath it. Plate kind of got a crack in it, but it's definitely there to where you can hold your front plate. Miscellaneous couple chips. There's a bigger chip there. What? No, she's crying because she didn't do her homework and she got in trouble at school. So that's what happens when you don't do your homework. You're going to be there next year. You want to say hi to everybody? Hi, everybody. So, okay, so back to the car. He enjoys being in the videos. A lot of energy. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so going down the side here, this here, I'm going to have to come from the other way because of the sun. The line is wearing off. And the line on the hood is just a little out of alignment. That could probably be easy to see. It's just a little out of alignment, kind of. This bout ding, there's only a couple of them on it. Dent. There's a chip there. I'm gonna come back this way, I'm sorry.
I just stepped on your shadow.
So, all good. There's a ding, so a dent right there. And there's a ding there. A ding there. And there's a chip. There's another look at that ding. Here's your 90th anniversary. Badges. Badges? We don't need no sneaking badges. And look at the 90th anniversary wheels.
But
real
Dad,
alloy wheel too. What's up?
next time I'm gonna be in Nikki's school.
You're gonna be in Nikki's school next year. There's a ding right there too. So, oh, and this spot on the top, paint's worn off. And I was gonna touch that up, but I really try to not put much into them to where I'm giving a cheapest price I can. So, looks good from the rear. I'm gonna show you underneath the back. Okay, I'll show you the other side, and then we're gonna go down and I'll show you when the sun goes down. A different time of day, show you the interior. A little bit of water on it, we just washed it. Dripping out there. And a little wear. The foul, or chrome, is getting daged a little bit. Chips right there. And going down this side, it's straighter than the other side. It's not the dings, but there's a little scratch there. There's a ding there. There's some door chips. Opening the door into things. And I'm gonna come back the other way. But I think that's about all there is to write home about on this side. Yeah, water. We just washed it, like I say. Chip right there. And that's the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything when the sun goes down, and I cannot have the shadows on the interior. You can see here, this wheel is the only one. It's just a little aged. It's got wear. It's starting to kind of have the coating come off a little bit, but it still looks good. But want to be totally up front, and look at this. All the plastic and everything in the wheel wells. Wheel wells are just clean as can be. Okay, it's the outside. I'll be back to show you more. All right, here I am at a different time of day. Kind of show you in a non-sunny way. It looks good in the light, and it looks good in the night. It's definitely a clean rig. So I'm gonna do it once around here. I'm gonna show you under the hood and the interior. We'll go on a test drive. It gets dark so much quicker. The sun's going down, and there's the moon right behind it. Moonset. Okay, so that's the car. I got my new little light here. Let me know how it works on the interior. I think it helps a little bit. I don't know. We'll see. Nathan, 406-546-8748. Beautiful car. 67,000 original miles. Here we go with the interior. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous interior. I'm going to put this little light on here. Give me a second. Okay, tell me what y'all think. Here's without the light. There's with the light. And I'll get closer and say without the light, with the light. It definitely throws a little bit of a shine on it. I think it does. Okay, I'm gonna pull this key before we all go crazy. Dash is in great condition. 67, see the light don't work for that. 67,000 original miles. So a one owner car. Look at the pedal, no wear. Carpet, great condition. Seats, they're not all torn up. They're in absolutely great condition. What's that? That's a little piece of lint. You got a console in the middle. Opens up, has some cup holders, all that good stuff. So that's kind of cool. CD player. Nice car. Let me show you the back. Headliner, great condition. See now that might... Yeah, see the light really helps there according to what I see. And back seat don't look like it's ever really been set in, to tell the truth. Look at the floors. This thing is just so crisp. The back package tray, everything is in nice shape. I took the keys out, so it should be easy enough to show you in the trunk. Nice big trunk. Jack tools. There's your spare tire and your build sheet and everything. Clean, shiny. And this side, also great condition. A little like mark on the seat. It's like it's made of a lighter color or something somehow. Same thing there. That might be able to be detailed out. Honestly, all we did is vacuum this thing a little. Door panel's great shape. I'm sure there's a couple options that comes in a higher package, but it's got the power windows and the power locks, all that good stuff. Crack in the dash right there. And that's about all there is to say about the dash. Got some extra napkins in here. Let me pop the hood and go show you that. Again, on this side, seats in great condition. Little dust bunnies blowing around out here on the dirt lot. Let's look at the motor. I forgot to show, there's a little piece of the grill right there. It's broken, a little broken piece, and it's cracked right there. So that's a thing, and there's a little tiny crack right there. And right here, this panel alignment, this needs to be pushed in a little bit. The little plastic spoiler part just makes it look like it's sticking out a little. On the tires, they got tons of tread. I think they were replaced, but it's not been used a lot. And in these little grooves right there, it looks like there's a teeny bit of dry rot starting. I mean, I wouldn't mind driving around town. I don't know if I go on a long trip in a car or not with these tires. Tires are cheap at Walmart, man. 250 bucks, done deal. Whereas this tire has none. It's not happening at all. Honestly, I'd just replace them. That's just where it is. Needs tires. Under the hood is in great condition. It's got a little bit of notes on maintenance that was done. Interstate battery. I like to see when they put a good brand name battery. They obviously care. Even the hood liner insulation is in great shape. This here is, we washed the car, so it's still a little damp. But yeah, let's see, you can take time and polish this stuff up and clean it up. It is so clean in here. It's honestly amazing, such a clean car. It's a 93, it's an old car. But I'm sure it's been taken care of. And it runs and drives great. That's that. Okay, I'll take you on a test drive now. We'll hit the road. Okay, here we are in the evening, 67,000 miles. Bad boy starts right up, runs like a top. Beautiful day in the valley. And with this last car here, I'm gonna pull out and take you for a drive down the road. These things are peppy. And this one runs great, shifts great, it goes. I mean, just to my normal spot here, I'm already at 70, which is the speed limit. So, that's that. It's got power. These things are very economical. Not a hand on the wheel, stop straight as can be. It really does run down the road nice. And, other than that, I'm gonna give you another romp on the pedal. That's right up to 35 right now, which I pretty much believe is the speed limit for side roads and stuff in Montana. So, even if you're at 30, it kicks down and goes, buddy. Very, very smooth driving car. Now I'm gonna have to finagle my way back to my place here. I'll talk to you in a minute. Horn works fine, but this here button, just a little off. Just the button though. Radio works, and this speaker doesn't, and blower and everything works. There's a toggle under here, and sometimes it don't turn on. That's never been used. You gotta flip the toggle. It's kind of intermittent, but most of the time, 99% of the time, works. That's it. It's got the dyno ride. Windows, all good. This one rolls down, but the switch ain't been used that much, so you gotta kind of hit it a little differently. This one works fine. So all that's good. Oil change. Says when it was doing it. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna show you the outside and call it good. Well, that's it. That's your review. Can't even hardly hear that thing running sitting there. So give me a call, Nathan, 406-546-8748. All kinds of classic cars and trucks and just everything you can imagine out here. And call me anytime, 406-546-8748. Name's Nathan. Check out my website, oneownercarguy.com. And definitely like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I got a lot of stuff for sale. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you.